Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find contacts on Facebook by phone number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings, and here you need to search for the media and contacts. Okay, and here you can see the option of continuous contact upload. You simply need to select that and click on get started and click on allow Facebook to access your contacts. You simply need to click on allow, and once it is done, so your once that step is completed, you are able to upload your contacts. So let me show you. So in setting, and here you need to click on media and contacts. You simply need to allow. So here you can see that now your contacts are uploading and to the Facebook, and you can easily find your friends. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.